Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to look at how we can use the home tab of the Microsoft Office Word software or package. So let's go. I'm going to open this directory and then go directly to home tab, and here I have the song here. It's just a song that I looked for on the internet and then brought it here. And now what I want us to do is to try and learn how to use this home tab, most of the features of home tab, which are very common. And the first one is actually that this document here lacks the title. So now this song was sung by The Weeknd. So let me just appear these people song The Weeknd featuring Ariana Grande. Now I'd like to make this one's the title bold and underlined. So the first thing I want to do is highlight, and to highlight you simply press down the left key on the mouse and then drag over the text you're interested in highlighting. Then come here to bold, make it bold. You can also underline by coming here to U, click on that, it underlines. And I'd like also to make this all this text capital letters. So what I'm going to do, I'll come here to this change case. I'm going to pick uppercase, which means I'm going to use capital letters like that. That looks a little bit better, but excuse, I'd like to make the chorus be italicized. So I think this is the chorus. This is the chorus, so I'll make it italicized by clicking that I. Fine. I can also make it bold. I don't have to underline it. Maybe change its text color. I'll give it some purple looking color like that. I also want to change its font type or font family. I want to use something called Garamond. Empty. Fine. So at least we've used the three. Let me say I don't want this O here, but I don't want to delete it. I just want to show that it's not supposed to be there. So I'll strike through. Next, I want to increase the font size of The Weeknd of the title, which are these two artists. So come here, increase the font size or decrease the font size. I can also pick it from here. Now This one here is a chorus, and it's the same here. I feel like this one is also a chorus partly, and this is the bridge, and then this is the chorus. So what I'm going to do, I want both of them to have almost the same formatting. So what I'm going to do is highlight that, any piece of it, then copy the format using this format paint, then apply on this one. There goes, it looks like that. Now if I want to copy, I can also just highlight it like that, then copy, then I can introduce it somewhere else. I can paste it here, Ctrl V, or simply paste it like that. I can also cut this because it's a duplicate, so let me cut that. And if you cut it, you're supposed to put it somewhere, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to let it be like that. If you cut, it is also found that it will go to the cardboard, to the clipboard, not cardboard, clipboard, and that is this clipboard here. So if whether you copy or cut, you will still have a copy on the clipboard. It's just that when you copy, the original will be still there, but when you cut, you will not have the original. Excuse. Next, I want to highlight some piece of text here. For example, the first line here. So I'm going to highlight with yellow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a color here that I'm going to use to highlight. Excuse. So pick like that, then use it to highlight. I can change the type of underlining. For example, you can come here and then choose double underline, wavy, whichever dashed, whichever underline you think is okay for you. Now that is it. So simple, using the font. I think one thing is left, or maybe several things. And one of them is using this styling effect in typography. I'm going to use it on this stanza here. I choose first of all some shadow, and then I'll choose reflection. Now shadow, choose that shadow, and then I'll choose below. I'll also come and apply a glow like that. Then I can do several things. Shadow outline, I can change the outline to be darker or maybe blue. Like that. It's left here under font is the superscript and subscript. This is not related to the song. You can highlight 6, make it a superscript, so that it's 4:6. Let me do away with the italicizing, and there we go. I can also have line 1 written like this. Highlight that one, put it as a subscript. So that is how you can have line 1. Lastly, I want to clear the formatting, and to do that, I can highlight everything, Control A, and then just erase everything. Any formatting that you've done will be erased, like that. Now everything goes back to normal. That is how it was looking like before I edited it. Let me stop there. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, share, and like. Thank you.